Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily find all of your contacts on Snapchat. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So first of all, you'll have to open up the Snapchat application. I'm on my iPhone. You can follow the exact same steps whether if you're on an Android. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on your profile on the top left. Now we will be enabling the contacts access to Snapchat inside the Snapchat application. All you'll have to do is to tap on the gear icon on the top right and then scroll down until you find an option of contacts just under audible settings. Tap on contacts and you'll be able to find an option of share contacts with Snapchat that says syncing your contacts will help you find your friends on Snapchat. For more info, view or privacy policy. All you'll have to do is to toggle this option on, and then you'll be able to tap on see all contacts, and basically you'll be able to find all of your contacts right on this page. So that's how you can easily check all of your contacts on Snapchat. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any